Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Process Hacker. Process Hacker is advanced task manager with detailed info on every running process. So how you can simply download it, you have to open any of your favorite browser and here you have to search for Process Hacker and click on Process Hacker download. You're going to get the source for, so click on that website. And from here you will going to click on this link and click on download system informer and then click on the system informer setup.exe. Click on download and you can see the download is completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it to set up, click on install. There will be a permission, click yes, install, click next and close. That's it. And now here you can simply see that your system informer is rightly open. Basically this is the same to the Process Hacker. This is for Windows 10 and 11. So if you are in a lower version, you can simply go for the Process Hacker. You can see the 7 or 8, or for XP or Windows Vista, you can simply looking for this setup. So this is what you can simply download and install. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.